Hey Windows 11 users! Want to enable Hibernate mode for a more power-efficient and quick startup? In just a few steps, I'll guide you through the process. Let's ensure your system is set up to hibernate efficiently on Windows 11. Here's how to enable Hibernate mode. Click the search icon in the taskbar, type Control Panel, and select the app from the results. Select System and Security. Under Power Options, click on Change what the power button do. Next, select the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Now check the Hibernate box and click on Save Changes. You will now see the Hibernate option when you click the Start button and then the Power button. Click on the search icon from the taskbar, type CMD, and click on Run as administrator to launch command prompt with full privileges. Select Yes when you are prompted to allow this app to make changes. Type the following command and press Enter to run it. powercfg.exe/hibernate. Press the Windows key plus R to start run. Type regedit and press Enter, or click OK. Select Yes if you're prompted for app permissions. Go to the following path in the editor. H key, local, machine, momosystemo current control sets control. Power double-click the Hibernate enable default. Type 1 in the value data box and click OK or press Enter. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.